Everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Aiden. Welcome to IT Skills. In today's video, we're going to continue in our series of creating retention policies for the company. In the last video, we went ahead and created a retention policy for the company wide. It was all great. Now we're going to try to do the same thing, but this time we're going to focus on for Microsoft Teams. So we're in the right page. So if you're not sure how to get here, you have to click on Solution. You have to click on Data Lifecycle Management. After that, you're going to get to see policies and then retention policies. We're going to create new retention policy. So click on new. And then from this point on, we're going to click on what the retention policy will be called. We're just going to call Teams Retention. And then we're going to go ahead and actually create a retention policy by saying retention for Teams location. We're going to hit next. And from that on, we're going to hit next. And again, we will need to choose whether the policy is adaptive or static. We're going to choose static. We're going to hit next. And again, we want to uncheck everything except Teams. So we don't want to do Exchange, all those things. We want to just keep it on Microsoft Teams. So we're going to check the option for Team Channel Messages, which is finding it out. So here's Teams Channel Messages. We're going to need to do Teams Chat and Copilot interaction. And we're going to also do nothing else after that. So we're just going to focus on Teams right there. No private message, nothing. So we're going to hit next. And then again, we have the year where we wanted to do this. So I would probably say in this case, we would go ahead and actually keep it for the number of 3 years. Do custom. 3 years is perfect. But we're going to come back actually. We need to do something else. So on this one, let's come over here, the type. So on the static type is there, retention setting. So let me uncheck this again. For some reason, you didn't save this. Once again, we're going to come over here to Teams Channel Messages, Team Interaction here. So on the Teams Interaction over here, we're actually going to edit this and we're going to change it to all users. So this one says all teams and the all users, we're going to change this. So we're going to hit check here, edit. In this case, we're going to only put in the following users. So it's going to be Adele. So we don't want to do it for everybody. So Adele, Dennis, and then we're going to do Gupta, Pradeep Gupta. So we got these 2 users, not all users. So there you go. We got the 2 users. You're going to hit next. And then we're going to hit next. We got the 3 years already, next, and then done. So there you go. Now we created a retention policy for Teams. And it's going to create in a second, and that's it. So now if you hit finish here, you're going to see the retention policy is created for those 2 users. And it's just named as simple as Teams Retention. And it's happy. We're good to go. So now that's how you go ahead and create a retention policy for Teams. We first went ahead and did a retention policy for company-wide. Now we did it for Teams. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, peace.